Hi students, welcome back to Appleby Academy's classes. So in this video, we are going to discuss about marginal costing. So when you're just taking this particular topic, marginal costing, it's a technique of costing. You can see a regularly question from this particular area. So you can expect both theoretical and also numerical question from this particular area. So today we are going to solve a numerical problem, a previous year question from this particular area. And based on that, you will get an idea how questions are asked from, numerical questions are mainly asked from this particular topic. So here is a question which got asked on December 2020 and June 2021 cycle, and it's about the calculation of PV ratio. When you're going through this question, you can see that 2 years information is specified here. It's about 2018 and 19, both years sales and profit and loss is given in this question. And when this type of question is asked, normally you need to use the equation that PV ratio is equal to change in profit divided by change in sales. Okay, this is the equation which you need to use when the information is like this, which means information of 2 years are given, you can go for this equation. Otherwise, basically, which equation we are using, which is sales minus variable cost divided by sales, or contribution by sales is the basic equation that we are using. So here, change in profit, that's the first thing you need to identify. So what about change in profit? You can see change in profit means you need to deduct from the last year to the second last year. So you can see that it's like 7 lakh minus 3 lakh. So let's see, here 3 lakh is given in bracket and it's mentioned that it's about loss, which means in 2019 they got a profit of 7 lakh, but in 2018 they got a loss of 3 lakh. So basically, if it's profit, if this 3 lakh was profit, you can do like 7 lakh minus 3 lakh, you will get 4 lakh. But here it is like, which is minus 3 lakh, 7 lakh minus 3 lakh divided by change in sales. What about change in sales? 57 lakh minus 32 lakh. Okay. And now 7 lakh minus 3 lakh. It's a pure maths. How we will do? So if there is both minus symbol is there, we can add it. So 7 lakh plus 3 lakh. So it will be like 10 lakh divided by 57 lakh minus 2 lakh. What will be the answer? 7 minus 2, which is 5. 5 minus 3, which is 2. So which is 25 lakh. Okay. And now we can cancel all these zeros. And it's like 10 by 25. Okay, so when you're using this to divide with 5, you will get 5 into 2, 10, and 5 into 5, 25. So now it's like 2 by 5. So we can actually convert into percentage. So 2 by 5 or 20 by 5, what you will get? You will get 40. That means 40%. Okay, so as per option, the right answer for this question is option D. So this is a way how you will do the question which is related to PV ratio if the information is related to 2 years. So here it is about 2018 and 19. What you have to do is that you have to use this equation, change in profit by change in sales. Here change in profit, the difference is that here 3 lakh is a loss. So you have to consider like 7 lakh minus 3 lakh. If it's a profit, like, which means if 3 lakh is a profit one, that means which is not loss, you can do like 7 lakh minus 3 lakh, then you will get 4 lakh. But here 3 lakh is loss, so 7 lakh minus 3 lakh. So both these minus is there, then it will get into positive value. That is, you have to add it. So you will get 10 lakh and you have to take the difference of 57 lakh minus 32 lakh, you will get 25 lakh. So after doing, you have to convert into percentage. PV ratio, we are always representing it in a percentage form. So you will get 40%, and as per the option, the right answer for this question is option D. So now we can see another question which got asked on December 2024. Determine PV ratio from the following particulars, and you have the information like total fixed cost is 12,000, actual sales 48,000, margin of safety 8,000. So based on this information, now you need to calculate the PV ratio. So basically you know that how you to calculate PV ratio, and we already discussed about finding up to the calculation. Like first thing which we discussed is like the basic, if there are 2 years is given, how you will calculate PV ratio. Now, if this type of information is given, how you will calculate this PV ratio? You can actually calculate PV ratio with the basic equation that we are using for calculating this PV ratio. Just try to do it by yourself. So that you will get a proper idea related to this calculation of PV ratio. It is very important that you should practice more questions related to all these areas, then only you will be able to do questions properly. It's about practice. So maximum you have to practice how much question you can do. That's the only way to find or to make your answers correct for the exam. So I hope this video will help you for your preparation. Thank you and happy learning.